that's one of the components. In context of in the animal studies, if we imbalance or put the mice on high omega-6 and subject to the coronary ligation, which is commonly called as a heart attack, then within the 24 hours after the heart attack, the molecules coming from the omega-6, they are relatively way higher at the site of injury, especially where the healing process is going right in the left ventricle. Yes.
So basically, if mice have a heart attack, if they're on a high omega-6 diet, basically a high seed oil diet, the heart attack is worse in terms of their prognosis, in terms of the amount of damage and inflammation following the heart attack.
That's correct. Yes. Yeah, and definitely also if we see that in the clinical literature in a different context, of course, in the mice we can take their heart because the tissue we can take and quantitate all those molecules by the high resolution mass spectrometry, which is another complex in its own world. But when we are doing the human studies by using just the plasma, then we see that when we compare the black versus the white populations, and there we see the white population have relatively more better outcome and more amount of omega-3 related molecules compared to the black populations. So when we are doing this human study and quantitate these molecules in the human plasma after the myocardial infarction within 24 hours, and culturally we know these black population, African Americans, they are using more processed food based on the epidemiological data. Obviously, we see the bioactive molecules coming from these fatty acids are more related to the pro-inflammatory side in the black population, suggesting that there is some active translation of our research to the humans.